guys, it's me, Game New. Today, I'll be showing you Minecraft 1.3.1. As you can see on the title screen, it says Minecraft 1.3.1. And, in fact, it does. Alright, I'm here to show you the changes to Minecraft 1.3. I'm going to tell you a couple of them. Testing 1.3. Alright. This is from the pre-release, and that really doesn't show anything. But, there's a lever. Guess what? It can now be placed on roofs. Let's warn them now. Single player now runs a server internally. You can publish the single player instance to LAN. Let me show you. As you can see, there's a new button on the game menu called Open to LAN. You can set the settings for other players other than you. So I can set it to where they're in adventure mode, which is currently in progress. That's another one down. And you can also allow cheats. That's another one down. And then now you can now say 192.168.1.5, and that's going to be your computer. And then 52970. Next thing. And yes, there's a new inventory screen for creative. This is kind of nice. Alright. The multiplayer screen automatically detects LAN worlds in the multiplayer screen. They added cheats and bonus chests. If you don't know what cheats is, it basically pretty much enables commands. Bonus chests actually give you tools and a quicker start to a new role. They added adventure mode, which is work in progress. They added training with villagers. I'm going to show you that. So let's find the villagers here. I was not prepared for this, and they would never be. Alright, I'm going to put you inside. Here, so you can't get out. And as soon as I right click, as you can see, you get a screen that says villager. And it says, it wants a diamond axe and 4 emeralds for diamond axe efficiency 2. You can put anything in here. Can't put anything in here, just like furnaces. So let's go ahead and get diamond axe. Tools, diamond axe, and we're gonna need materials. Is it in here? Yeah, it's in here. So I'm just gonna grab 64 of them. And now if I put 64 and a diamond axe, I get an efficiency. Alright. And it's not gonna work. Alright. He just has a new offer. 9 gold for 1 emerald. That's kind of cheap. That's kind of cheap. No, it's not cheap. It's kind of costly. But, you know, it's creative. So, I can do whatever I want. And that's not the right spot. And actually, there's buttons, which you might be finding surprising. Because usually there isn't any. Oh, why am I doing that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I got my 64 emeralds back. And now time to remove my gold ingots. Enough with the trading. They added emeralds, emerald blocks, and emerald ore, just like you've seen. They added cocoa beans to jungles. They added the ender chest, which I can show you. Let's go ahead and place one in this. And we're going to place this somewhere else. It has an unlimited range, so it's pretty costly. So I'm going to go all the way over here. I'm not going to go into the end portal yet. But let's put my 64 emeralds in there, and let's go all the way back there. Alright, now if we look inside the ender chest, we have our emeralds. Yay! Does not drop your items, and I think if you break all of the ender chests, it does not drop anything. Actually, if you look from a certain distance, you can see that it disappears, which I kind of find it interesting. That should probably be fixed if it's possible. And as you can see, there's still emeralds and nothing dropped. Now let's go over here. It should be there. See? Alright, that's enough with the ender chests. They add tripwires, which I can also do. I can also show you this. So the leadstone. And yet you need you need string in order for this to work. And there's, if you look at the snapshots of this, you'll probably know that this range got increased. And actually, as you can see, let's go ahead and put redstone here. Once you walk on top of it, or an item goes through, or, alright, that's gonna get annoying, or you break it without shears. Yes, that's the required item. Why did I place that there? And if I get a shears and I break it, as you can see, it did not do anything. You can use this for traps. These are also in the new stuff that I'm gonna get to later. New creative inventory with search in it. And yes, you can search now. Woohoo! Because I'm just gonna do like foot, nothing. Diamond. No one shows diamond. And the reason why it shows obsidian is it has DIA in it. There are writable books now. Yeah, writable books. Added large biomes world type. Alright, I actually did not know about this, so I'm going to save and quit to the world. I'm actually going to create a new world, and we're going to call it large biomes. Go into here, and we're going to go large biomes. Oh, did I put myself in survival? Crap. Oh, nope. Yep. Wait, what? Yay! Guess what? They removed that you get all the standard items in 1.2.5. The, you know, the standard blocks that you usually get. As you can see, we spawned in here, and And what the name says is pretty much, it's alarmed a freaking huge biome. It goes on for a pretty long time, but I do have cheats on if I'm correct. So I am gonna say /TP, where am I at right now? Where am I at right now? I'm at x77 of negative 0, 109. So we're gonna go TP 300, and we're gonna go with 103, hopefully. And then we're gonna go negative 298. Teleport. There we go. Oh, there you go. And we actually did not teleport too far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go teleport 3,000. Oh dear. Still 110. Which is kind of weird because I said, oh yeah. And then negative 298. Just like that. And it should bring me to the far lands if I'm correct. Yep. Holy crap, this is actually flat-ish. And look, we're still in a freaking snow biome. Am I going, yeah, I'm going the right way. Yeah, I think that's what they meant by huge. And I think if this is the far lands, then, oh, there we go. There's plains. So plains should last for a pretty long time. Yeah, I'm not going to go through it anymore. Alright. No, wrong window. Added temples to jungles and deserts. I have no idea if I can get to that, so we'll do it later. Added chat settings. Let me show you that. If I can show it in here. There are two. This one I'm going to talk about later. Chat settings allows you to show chat. You can show commands only, and you can hide it completely. You can turn on colors on and off. You can also turn on web links to click on. Prompt on links just pretty much prompts you if you have it on. If you have web links off, this wouldn't even take effect. You can make the opacity 10 for the minimum, 100 for the max. Added more information on the debug screen. Alright, let's go into a new world. Into the 1.3. So I'm going to go ahead and press F3. Now if you notice, I'm going to have to press E, so you might not be able to see. If you can see, 75.372 feet pause. That's the feet. And 76.992 eyes position. It also gives you the regular stuff. It still shows the version and all that. Alright, next one. Added, oh wait, I already did that. New launcher with play demo button if not premium user. So that means if your account is not a premium account, you're able to play the demo version. You can type in C to see the C. Yeah. No, you can't see it up there anymore. You actually have to type that in. Next thing. Default game mode. You can change the default game mode in a world. And it affects new players. So you can have a person join with, creative. And then you can change the default game mode to survival, and everyone has to survive, except that one person. Alright. Added debug for profiling. Now, I've actually never tried this, so this is new to me. Oh. / debug start. Now, if it crashes, I'm screwed. Alright, now it started debug profiling, which I have no clue what that does, so I'm gonna go debug stop. Ah, there we go. Oh, we can actually see how much it takes. 11.25 seconds is. Alright, that's kind of nice. Alright. Add SRV record lookup support. Don't have any idea. Fixed. Decrease max. Well, it changed. Decrease max enchantment level from 50 to 30. The TP command can now send players to a certain coordinate, like I showed you. Mobs can spawn on flat surfaces. That's a little problem to me, because it sucks. That's all. Updated language files, or .lang files. Mobs are much less likely to glitch through blocks. Lucky us. Server lists can be reordered. Nearby items in the world will auto-stack. That's something I can show you real quick. Alright. It's turning night, so sorry. Let's see if I can do time set 0. Yay. Alright. As you can see, if you just saw that, one item now has, we got 57 and then the 64. So that decreases lag. Big time. Stars are smaller and brighter. Now I'm going to have to show you that now. Time set 12,000. If I'm correct. Alright, that's like, so I'm going to go with 13,000. Oh. Set time 13,000. Oh, come on. Set 13,000. Alright, as you can see, the stars are smaller, but you can see them brighter. So I'm going to go ahead and time set 15,000. Alright, there we go. As you can see, they're a lot more brighter. There you go. Alright. Next thing. Sky color at the end has been changed. Now, I have no idea if I beat the end boss. So if I didn't, I'm gonna have to beat it. But I'm not gonna show you that, only because I will show you a little bit later, but it's like that. I think it's black. Yeah, black. Black. No, this is... Alright, the pick block functionality has been improved. So now let's spawn a cow. In 1.2.5, I think. Unless that was fixed then. Whenever you pick block a entity, actually, you get bedrock, which is kind of surprising. Is my button even working unless I have it on F? See? Now it selects the spawn cow instead of bedrock. That means it creates a new one. Like it always did. Alright, let's see. Certain items that previously wasn't stackable can now be stacked. Buckets unfilled buckets can stack up to 16. And as well as, what was it, dang it? I gotta think it. Yeah, signs, yeah. Can also be stacked to 16. That's the only two I know of, so. There could be more. If I missed it, comment down below and I'll add it in the description if I look at it. Which I really hope it does. Alright, hill bombs are slightly taller. You kind of saw that. Wooden log blocks can now be placed sideways. If you look at set green, as you can see, he actually made a ritual pattern. Well, not him, but he actually created a filter that changes if a tree is on its side. It pretty much, you know, reorients itself using the MC Edit filter. And that means more realistic maps. And if I remember correctly, either this is a fake, which most likely it is, but falling trees, which I don't think actually exist, if I'm correct, sapling, we're just gonna try it and see if it works, which I think it won't. If you think so, then don't worry. Alright, there it is. I was like, where's the bone meal? Oh, no. And then so that. So if I chop this block, nope, it was just a fake. Cool. Alright, if you watched a video that demonstrated a falling tree, it's obviously fake. Alright, just gotta let you know that. And yeah, I did do that. Oh, alright. This is probably gonna be a long episode. Alright. Wooden half blocks now act as wood. If you watch Nova's video, if you watch Nova's wood slab or slab video, or I forgot what it was, but basically, he punched Dan's. Well, Dan's punched Nova, and Nova thought wood slabs would work like wood, you know, whenever you break them. I can't show you it now, but it's actually true. Alright, water slowly drips through leaves during rain. Minecarts and boats will be placed by dispensers, if possible. So let's go ahead and get a dispenser here and try it out. Yeah, it's not good. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a quick contraption over there. Well, no, over here. We need water, of course, for boats. So let's put that boat in here, and as you can see, boats actually dispense itself. Now, so there's a new mechanic in the way boats and everything work. If we go ahead and quickly get this minecart track, and replace the minecart on it. Well, we're gonna do it above, so, because I'm actually gonna show you this. I gotta quickly build this. Now I'm gonna make 4 blocks too deep. So pretty much like this. So I'll place a row right there, put a minecart there, and then get in, get out. I guess it doesn't work for some reason. Wait, it has to be by an edge. It has to be on a block, if I remember correctly, or closer. I have no idea how that works. Is that the right spot? Nope. Instead it did right there instead of here, which I find quite weird. I guess it requires 1 block instead. Huh. Alright. What's the next thing? Gravel texture has been modified. Let me show you. I can just show you from here. If you can see it, then I'll show you anyway. Well, I'll show you anyway. See if I can find gravel. Gravel, 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 gravel. Come on. I can't find it now. Screw it. Gravel. Alright, as you can see, if you did not see that, let me show you. The gravel texture is like weird. And if I remember the trick correctly, if I use cobble, yeah, I remember the trick. It's just I'm not sure if it works on gravel now. I remember. Yeah, L right there. I think the L. Wait, where's an L? Like L there. I have no idea, but it might work. Maybe. Next one. Let's see. Levers can be placed in the roof. I already showed you that. Creeper's explosion damage is now modified by difficulty. Alright, I'm going to show you this by removing all the stuff I have. Well, just real quick. Make a really simple contraption with obsidian. Or bedrock if I wanted. But I'm going to do obsidian. I was not prepared for this. Very sorry. So let's go ahead